I love bikes, and I have many different kinds. But the Polarna M4 is the first e-bike I've ever had, and I love it. I ride bikes all the time for exercise, and I thought, an e-bike, how am I going to get any exercise out of that? Well, you actually can. And you can go a lot further because you can pedal it just like a regular bike. And then if you come up to a hill and you're wheezing and you can't make it up the hill, or some dogs are chasing you, then you just hit the little thumb thing and up the hill. It's got these knobby tires on it that are puncture proof and really grippy, all weather. You can ride it on the street, you can ride it on the dirt, mud, stairs. Heck, you can even ride it down some railroad tracks, as I found out the other day. The only bad thing I can say about this is the seat. The seat that comes with it, not so comfortable. But I'll put a link in the description so you can get one of these that are friendly to your tuchus. It's the Cloud 9. It's got 8 gears and 5 different power assist modes from 1 to 5, so you can have just a little bit of help, or if you're super lazy like me, you can just bump it all the way up to 5 and off you go. The Polarna M4 can go 60 miles on pure electricity or 100 miles in power assisted mode. That's with you helping along with your pedally. Once depleted, the battery can be fully charged in about 7 hours. It's got a color LED multifunction display that's bright enough to see in the sunshine. You can see exactly how much assistance you're getting, how fast you're going, and you can watch Netflix. I'm just kidding, you can't watch Netflix. But you can charge your phone from the display. It's equipped with a USB power port. The bike frame is 100% aluminum alloy, and the front fork is made of magnesium alloy. And there's a little shock absorber right there in the middle on the frame that really helps absorb those bumps. The bike is light enough to where one person can lift it up in the trunk of a car or the back of a truck, and it's got 8 speeds that switch between gears oh so smoothly, so you can ride it like a regular bike. It's got a 750 watt brushless motor in the hub of the wheel with really good torque, so you can climb a slope of about 15 to 20 degrees. Everything on it is adjustable, from the front forks to the seat height, the handlebars. The thing even folds in half so you can throw it in the back of a pickup truck or a large trunk. The default speed when it's delivered is 28 miles an hour, but you can go into the software and do a little dip-de-doo, doodly-dip here and get it up to 35 miles an hour. The Polarna M4 is equipped with front and rear hydraulic disc brakes that stop you very quickly. This fat-tired beast of a bike retails for about $1,500. There is a link in the description, and I do hope you consider buying one. Well, there you have it, the Polarna M4 e-bike. Do you need an e-bike? No. But do you want an e-bike? Yes, you do. Absolutely you do. And now is your chance to win. This phone over here. This is the Pixel 5a. You thought I was kidding. No, I'm going to keep that thing. I've been filming with the Pixel 5a. Looks pretty good in 4K, doesn't it? All right, so if you want to win this Google Pixel 5, all you have to do is comment below, gift from Google, hashtag gift from Google, and I will pick from those who commented. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Get you one of these Polarna e-bikes. They are super fun. Until next time, buh and bye.